Nvidia is poised to win a huge race in the tech sphere. They're on the verge of becoming the first $4 trillion company. This is such a huge update. But how will Nvidia be able to do this? There are powers behind them that are helping them out. What's even crazier is that this isn't the highest their stock will go, and this new price target will break the tech sphere. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. The tech sphere is such a cutthroat industry, but recently, Nvidia has been surging high, and they're making headlines time and time again. What's even more exciting is that analysts are now seeing something huge in Nvidia's future. Stay tuned, and let's dig into what this could be. A bombshell just dropped. A massive, almost $800 million dark pool order hit during the after-hours trading. And here's why this is exciting. It shows that investors are anticipating Nvidia's growth in the coming weeks. A dark pool order occurs when a large investor buys or sells shares without revealing their activity in the public market. The size of this order indicates strong confidence in Nvidia. But here's what's even more insane. This might suggest that a big fund might know something important about Nvidia. They could be trying to keep their buying activity hidden. Nvidia has been making waves in the tech world. The company is a leader in AI and graphics processing. Many experts believe Nvidia will continue to grow rapidly. The recent dark pool order adds to that sentiment. Investors are betting on Nvidia's potential. They expect strong performance in the near future. This order signals that significant capital is flowing into Nvidia. Large investors often have access to information that regular investors do not. By buying shares in dark pools, they can avoid pushing the stock price up too quickly. This allows them to accumulate shares without attracting attention. The size of the order shows that there is a strong belief in Nvidia's upcoming success. As more people recognize Nvidia's growth potential, they may rush to buy shares. This could drive the stock price even higher. This multi-million-dollar dark pool order is a big deal, especially for Nvidia holders. It reflects confidence in Nvidia's future. Investors are positioning themselves for growth, and it could come in the next few weeks. It also raises questions about what information this large fund might have. The market is watching closely as Nvidia continues to expand. The excitement surrounding Nvidia is growing, and this order could be a sign of more great things to come. But if you've been following Nvidia's stock, this huge order wouldn't come as a surprise to you. After all, Nvidia has been growing consistently lately, and this has made several analysts reveal a huge prediction for the company. You're going to want to hear this one out. Nvidia is poised to win the race to a $4 trillion market cap, according to experts. There was a strong sentiment to buy the dip this previous week, and it might continue. Investors have been scooping up beaten-down shares, pushing Nvidia to a record high. A positive outlook for one of Nvidia's partners has revived Wall Street's enthusiasm for AI. This growing confidence in the AI boom has overshadowed the sluggish forecast from chip suppliers and reports of export caps on advanced AI chips to some Middle Eastern countries. Now, Nvidia closed the week above $138 per share, giving it a market value of over $3 trillion. It is now the world's second-largest company, just behind Apple. However, experts believe this might change soon. The consensus among experts is that Nvidia will be the first major tech firm to reach a $4 trillion valuation. And here's something even more exciting. Ram Ahluwalia, CEO of Lumida Wealth Management, stated that there is no question about it. He noted that the demand for GPU chips remains strong. Early adopters are starting to see a return on their investment. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, contributed to the stock's rally this month by describing demand for the new Blackwell chips as insane. This statement has further fueled investor excitement. Despite Nvidia's remarkable performance, T. Rowe Price portfolio manager Tony Wang mentioned that investors still continuously underestimate Nvidia's growth potential. He highlighted the exceptional demand for AI, making it definitely possible for Nvidia to be the first to cross the $4 trillion mark. The excitement surrounding Nvidia continues to grow as investors eagerly watch the company's next moves. And these analysts aren't just pulling this prediction out of thin air. Nvidia has actually been doing the work and is consistently proving to the market that they're on top. This is one of the major reasons why Nvidia, known as the AI star, is considered one of the most promising technology stocks by hedge funds. Nvidia is experiencing rapid growth and gaining global attention. Recently, the company closed a deal with Salesforce and launched a new AI tool designed for the next generation of mobile devices, robots, autonomous vehicles, and 5G technology. To add, Nvidia partnered with TSMC to advance the next generation of semiconductor chips using its computational lithography platform. All this is pushing Nvidia's revenue even higher. Nvidia is projected to generate around $33 billion in revenue during the fiscal third quarter of 2024. This revenue will likely come from the rapidly growing Hopper architecture and the new Blackwell chips. By the end of this year, the company is expected to increase production of these chips. Also, in a recent interview, Ben Reitzes, head of technology research at Melius Research, shared his outlook on Nvidia. What he said is going to make Nvidia investors excited. He noted that there is significant upside potential in the company's growth estimates and revenue compared to other stocks. He believes that Nvidia will trade at 1 times its price-to-earnings to growth ratio by 2025, which is attractive for such an influential name. He also emphasized that the demand for Nvidia's Blackwell chips is enormous, and that the company will need to ramp up production to meet this demand. With 179 hedge funds bullish on Nvidia at the end of Q2 2024, it is clear that the company plays a vital role in the artificial intelligence industry. This further solidifies Nvidia's position as a frontrunner in the race to a $4 trillion market cap. If you take this into account, it's no wonder that Nvidia is among the most owned stocks by hedge funds right now. Why is this so? Well, for one, the company has seen its share price surge by over 2,000% in the last 5 years. This growth is driven by strong demand for graphics processing units and AI models. Nvidia has become the go-to company for firms looking for GPUs and semiconductors as they increase spending on artificial intelligence. This demand has been a significant catalyst behind the company's success. But all of these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's something even bigger that could be coming for Nvidia. With all the successes and support that the company is receiving from huge funds and retail investors, some people have speculated on an insane price target for them. We're now looking at Nvidia to reach $200. How crazy would this be? And there is a chance that Nvidia might actually achieve this milestone. If it does, it could create a massive payday for Nvidia shareholders. The various news and updates discussed earlier could play a significant role in pushing Nvidia into this price territory. Investors are excited about the company's growth potential and the increasing demand for its products. The bullish sentiment surrounding Nvidia reflects a belief that the company will continue to excel in the tech and AI sectors. And here's what you should remember. If Nvidia reaches this $200 mark, it would be groundbreaking. It would make Nvidia the first company to achieve a market cap of around $5 trillion market cap. This milestone would shatter existing records and set a new standard in the industry. Nvidia's focus on AI and semiconductor technology positions it uniquely in the market. The company is at the forefront of the AI revolution, making it a crucial player in the tech landscape. With the ongoing demand for GPUs and innovative products, Nvidia is poised for continued success. Investors are closely watching Nvidia as it moves forward. Each update and announcement has the potential to drive the stock price higher. As Nvidia progresses, the excitement grows. The prospect of reaching $200 per share and a $5 trillion market cap adds to the anticipation. For those holding Nvidia shares, the future looks promising. The potential for significant gains has many investors eager to see what comes next for this tech powerhouse. But what do you think about this? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Nvidia update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.